Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's good? What's poppin'? How you doing, sis and bro? Thanks for stopping through on another video of mine, okay? So I'm pretty much taking down this protective style I had with the clip-ins in my last video. If you have not checked it out, I will definitely be linking it up above so you can check it out. But I am trying a new hair care line by Rajeeyah. So I wet my hair, and this is her card. Definitely keep the information. These are all the products that I got in her sample packet. I will link all that information in the description box if you guys are interested. But I just want to show you all the stuff that I got into her sample kit. So what we're starting off is with the raw honey co-wash detangler. Smells so good. So good, and it's so hydrating. I don't get the lather that I don't get a lather with this product like I'm used to with a shampoo or a co-wash that would have some type of lather. So I just went ahead and kept wetting it down because I wasn't sure why I wasn't getting a lather because I'm so used to it. But yeah, there wasn't none, sis. So I kind of used my Shea Moisture Detangler shampoo as well on top of using this so that I can get that lather. Then I'm going in with the deep conditioner, and it smells good as well. Okay, y'all, you'll see me smelling all her products because it smells lovely. But I will be applying a deep conditioner to my hair as well. You guys can tell, you can see a little hydration going on there. I know it's a little fade, honey, because it's all frizz there, but there is some hydration in that hair. Okay, so I'll be just applying the deep conditioner from ends to roots to my hair, and then do as much finger detangling as possible and go ahead and twist my hair up. As you can tell, it has my curls popping, so I'm all for this deep conditioner, y'all. I really do like it. So after I apply the deep conditioner, I sit under the dryer for 15 to 20 minutes, you know, trying to apply heat to this hair to open up the cuticles, y'all. Get my dry on, and then whenever I'm done, I rinsed out the deep conditioner, and we're going to go into the next few steps. I just want to show you guys how clean and hydrated my hair is, really moisturized, and I'm definitely feeling it. So it's a go for me on that co-wash. I need a bigger bottle because I have a lot of hair. So we're going to use the leave-in, the Aloe Hibiscus, and that also smells good. So I use that product in my hair. As you can tell, you can see the water flying off of it. It's really fully saturated. So I'm just gonna apply generous amounts. Here I go smelling it again because I'm telling you, it is Rajeeyah Sweets Naturals. That's what it's called, and I'm telling you, the sweets is for real. It smells so good. Then I'm going in with the mango kiwi curl cream on top of that. This is going to be one of my main stylers on my hair for my twist outs. So I will be applying that on my hair. I use a good bit amount of this product because you guys know I am not stingy with my products, okay? So I just apply that on my hair. Make sure I got everything moisturized from my ends to the roots, and then, you know, we're gonna move into the next product. As you can see, very hydrating. We're gonna go into the high definition twist and body butter. Like, this product right here is a hell of a sealant, like really good sealant. Like, you don't need anything else on that to seal your hair. Just enough if you need to put in your roots. I think that would be good for your roots too, sis, because that junk is very hydrating. Okay, high definition for sure. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to start the twisting process. I'm just going to section that section down one more time, just so that it's small enough, because I'm going to just go for like medium-sized twists. And you guys know this process already, how I usually twist my hair. If you don't know how I do my 2-strand twist, I'll probably link that video above so you guys can see if you want to see how I do it, or get a tutorial on it really quickly. But I'm just gonna go through and twist. I'm gonna speed through this, and then I will get into the rest of the video. So keep watching. So guys, this is how my hair is looking after I twist everything up. Nice and hydrated, not too much. Even though I think I put a lot of product, I technically didn't. But this is later on that day. I went ahead and applied some of the high definition twisting butter on my hands so that I can just have enough to coat the strands. I think this is later on today. It might be the next day. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. But yes, I'm just going ahead and taking my twist out like I normally do, and try not to finger it out too much to create too much frizz, because I just didn't know where it was gonna split. But yeah, and this is the finished result. So let me give you my final thoughts. So guys, this is my final thoughts on Rajeeyah's natural products. I had went ahead and purchased a sample kit off her site for like about 30 or so. Very affordable for you to sample her products. I really like that. And she gives you a lot of products, as you guys can see here, to sample out, and I showed you guys in the video earlier. So yeah, her product is really hydrating and it smells so good. And guess what? It's black owned, baby. Black owned. So I hope you guys are thumbsing up because it's black owned, you know what I'm saying? Because we need to support our black businesses in these times. All right? But yeah, the product is good. I can't say that I got a lot of definition in using this product, because my hair likes something a little bit more heavier, and her product is nice and moisturized, but it's not as heavy as I usually use, and I didn't apply any gel too. So, but I got a little definition, and I'm not mad at the little definition that I got, sis, because my hair is nice and big, soft, and hydrated. I like that, okay? And I can definitely see myself using it again. Her high definition twisted and body butter, sis, is everything. Love it. Good for your body as well as good for your hair. That's definitely a good sealer. I don't know about just twisting with it just by itself, but a hella good sealer, because there's a lot of moisture in that. But yeah, otherwise than that, the products are good, and my hair turned out pretty cute. And like you guys can see the frizz over here. You know what I'm saying? And a little bit over here. But everywhere else is not that bad. Like, you get some definition throughout the hair. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. So Rajeeyah, appreciate you and your products, sis. And y'all bought these products in my own coin. So not sponsored. So definitely these are my honest and true feelings about this product. But yeah, I am digging it. I'll definitely use these again, especially the co-wash. Like, the smell is everything. It doesn't give me a lot of lather, but definitely is hydration to the max. Okay, these products are good for moisture all the way. Like, I am feeling it for sure. Like, the moisture is ridiculous in these products. So and from the ingredients, is just straight to the point, and I like that, like straight to the point with the ingredients and everything. So I am definitely going to be using them again, and I will pick my favorite product and probably get a bigger size of it so that I can utilize it in my hair. And make sure you guys are subscribed down below and hitting the notification bell so you know whenever I upload, because when my little series of using black owned products are done, sis, I am going to be doing a giveaway on my favorite products, and I will be giving it to you guys, because sis, if I love it, you should try it. Okay. But yeah, guys, until next time, kisses from me to you, and bye.